Hi, my name is Georgia Emery Gray, and I am the Director of Legal Personnel and Recruiting at Cleary, Gottlieb, Steen, and Hamilton in Washington, D.C. Today, I'm here to speak to you a little bit about how to handle multiple offers. First and foremost, let me be the first to say to you, congratulations. You have multiple offers. You have had a successful recruiting season, and for that, you should be very proud of yourself and pat yourself on the back. Now, I think it's important for you to approach these multiple offers with just as much responsibility and care as you did when you entered the recruiting process. First thing that is important to do is to actually make a list of all the firms where you've received an offer. Think carefully about all of those firms and determine whether there is no way that you will ever work at one of these firms. It could be a location situation, it could be an experience you had on campus, or even in the office during the interviews. If you know for sure you're going to say no now. What you're doing by doing that is releasing your offer and giving other students an opportunity to take your offer. Many firms give rolling offers, and this is the first step towards giving your colleagues an opportunity at a shot at a firm. Next, you have your list. These are the places where you're most interested in. Now it's time to do your homework. First, determine whether you can actually go there and visit and do a return visit of the firms. If you can, I want you to make an appointment very quickly. Firms are on a very fast track, and they need to see people just as quickly as you need to make good decisions. So make your appointment and get in to meet people. Before you go in for the interview, though, or the revisit, it's important to come up with questions about the firm. Those questions come from doing your homework. What I mean by doing your homework is go back and revisit the websites, go back and revisit all the materials that they gave you when you went in for your interview. Make sure you're clear on what those firms do, what those offices do, what kind of practice areas they have. Are there things that are going to interest you? Are there practice areas that will interest you? Is there training and development something that's going to encourage your career? It's important to ask yourself those questions, because those are the questions that you're going to ask the lawyers when you go for your return visit. Or if you're not there for the return visit, those are the questions you're going to ask lawyers when they're calling you to do follow-up calls with you. Return their calls. They have a lot of time to do work and to do billable work, and they're spending extra time to call you. It is only fair to call them back. So please call them back. Finally, I think one of the most important things to do is to talk to alums of the firm. Alums meaning former summer associates. Check on campus, see if there are former summer associates at school and you can talk to them. And if there aren't, ask the firm for a list of former summer associates. You can call them too. They're students just like you, and they definitely can give you a clear idea of what it would be like to work there as a summer. Finally, trust your gut. You know yourself, you know what made you feel good about the place, and really think hard about seeing yourself there and whether you would feel comfortable there. You've got a lot of great options. Congratulations again. Good luck.